Welcome to our channel. Downloading games on your Nintendo Switch opens up a world of digital gaming convenience without physical cartridges. Step 1. Ensure your Nintendo Switch is connected to the internet through Wi-Fi by checking system settings and verifying your network connection. Step 2. Press the Home button and select the Nintendo eShop icon from the main menu to access the digital game store. Step 3. Browse through categories or use the search function to find the game you want to download to your Switch. Step 4. Select the game you're interested in and check the product page for information about price, file size, and required storage space. Step 5. Click the Purchase button and follow the prompts to complete your transaction using a credit card or Nintendo eShop gift card balance. Step 6. After purchasing, the download will begin automatically, and you can monitor progress from the home screen by pressing the plus button on the game icon. Step 7. If your download is slow, ensure no other devices are using your network bandwidth and consider connecting your Switch to a faster Wi-Fi network. Step 8. Once the download completes, the game icon will appear on your home screen ready to play, with updates downloading automatically when available. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.